If you want to block your inbox on TikTok entirely and you don't want people to start messaging you on TikTok, here's how to do it. Click on the three dots at the top right corner on your profile. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Privacy. Scroll down and click on Direct Messages. Click on Permission Settings. The two things you need to do here is to disable it for potential connections and others on TikTok. Potential connection means people who are your followers on TikTok. Others on TikTok means people who are strangers on TikTok. To disable your inbox, what you have to do is to click on Potential Connections and click on Do Not Receive and click on Update Settings. Make sure it looks like this, Do Not Receive. From now on, nobody can send you a DM on TikTok. That's how you block your inbox on TikTok. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.